Alright, so welcome back to another video. This is a subscriber requested video. You guys seem to enjoy the snap, crackle, and pop of the LTD and the GMC. So that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. We're going to make that happen in both of the vehicles. May not have enough gas to do a lot in this thing. I mean, look at it. I'm gonna try to keep this ride short because I don't want to fill this thing up. At least not today. Not as impressive. What? That's so stupid. Oh, wow. So I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. We got some pretty insane sounds from both of these vehicles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.